People ask me, what do you want to be when you grow up? They expect me to say a doctor, a pilot, or maybe just a woman who manages a home. But I tell them, I don't just want to be a woman, I want to be a womania. In India, business isn't just a career, it's in our DNA. It's the jugaad in our kitchens, the math in our mother's savings, and the passion that turns a small idea into a neighborhood legend. We are a nation of dreamers who work until the dream works. But today, the world has changed. The marketplace isn't just on the street corner, it's on the screen. And that's where my sisters are building empires. They don't wait for permission anymore, they have GEM.
If building a product is difficult, then selling it is even more difficult. But then coming on an authenticated government platform will give you a lot more value addition to your product. I can say as a startup, I'm doing something for Make in India, but I think it gives me a lot of goosebumps and pride to say that I have delivered a machine to the Indian Army and it is working literally on the forefront of the border.
GEM has not only given a marketing platform, but also helped them to secure working capital at ease. So I feel this is a very encouraging movement. The recognition that their products, their services has generated in government itself is very empowering for the women.
I think one of the most exquisite things about the GEM portal was the inclusivity, the fairness, the accessibility which it has. The women who have been associated so far, not many women have been associated from our intervention areas, but whosoever has been very happy with the fact that they could deal with the government.
V2G में ये women होने की वजह से मुझे most of the PSUs में even MSc 3% के category में भी मुझे काफ़ी benefit होता है. तो in case of that, even tender के जो preferences है वहाँ पे भी हमें advantage हुआ है.
Through GEM, our solutions are getting much more recognition. Especially it's so easy to get government orders now.
Do explore GEM Marketplace for a little more growth in your business and yes, a right platform for your venture.
We Indians are hardworking? Yes. Passionate? Absolutely. But a womania, she is something more. She is the one who sees an opportunity where others see a wall. She takes our traditional roots and gives them digital wings. She takes those pivotal steps and contribute in creating Atmanirbhar Bharat in true sense. GEM isn't just a portal, it's a promise that no matter where you are, from a remote village in Assam to a tech hub of Bengaluru, your business belongs in the heart of the nation's economy. So, look at me, because in a few years, I'll be sitting where you are. I'll be the CEO, the innovator, the exporter. I'll be the one building the Viksit Bharat. Let's start dreaming big. Let's start building empires. अब आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएगी वोमनिया.